Hello everyone. In this video, we have three tasks or troubleshootings or steps that were requested by our teacher. And the first instance, we need to find the network ports that are that our server. We are using a Windows server here, and we want to look which ports are able to listening. So for this, we are going to use the netstat space dash ANO concatenate to find the string str who are space listening, right? So click pressing enter. Okay, it's not working here, but let's see why not. Maybe we under misspelled something. Okay, here. Yes, we listen. Yeah, we missed this G here. Uh, those are the ports that are running on a server. We're going to choose two of them as requested. So we are going to choose the port 3389. This port is for RDP, Remote Desktop Protocol, who allow us to log in our domain controller. See? And the other port that we are going to use is the 53. This is the DNS or the domain name system, and yeah, it's listening, correct? So we choose this both uh, very famous protocols or ports running in our server. Now we need to find the services, correct? Um, this is quite um, similar that we already did here. We got the get service instead of yeah instead of the listening. We had the service where object it needs to be give us the status and n key e key dash e key who are running, right? It must be written like that. So this will give us a list of the services. Okay. It's not running. Maybe I will open a new PowerShell as administrator. Okay. Let's use the command again here. Sure. So we can find the same or service call it as DNS that we already find in our port that were enabled. And I would like to find the RDP as well. Remote desktop. Let me see where is here, or maybe team service, remote desktop service. Yeah, I think it's that. We had again the remote desktop configuration. Yeah, it has a lot of services. This is something I learned here. It's not just one service to run the RDP, and I wanted to share this with you. So yeah, we had a lot of services, and all of them are running. It's important to know that all of them, those services are running in our server. Well, continuing on our last step, not last, sorry, the next, we need to open the firewall rules. It should be here in the Windows Defender firewall with advanced security, where we can find an inbound rules and outbound rules. Yeah, and for this task, we need to create a rule to allow connection. It must be done here, action new rule, or just new rule. Okay, we can choose for the port TCP, and let's use the 5000 port, and let me see what we have to do here is just to allow the connection, right? Yeah, okay. So is the is the same for both of them? Uh, either for, yeah, we need to put a name here. Allow connection. Great. And it's the same for the outbound rule. 5000. We want to allow this connection and allow connection. Finish. So this here is where we allow connections, either for TCP, UDP, ICMP. Okay, we can choose if can is not enabled. We can create and don't enable it. Okay, disable it. Yeah, we have other things here like authorized computers, remote ports. This is very important. So what we can do here is just to choosing here like disable rule. This this is our rule. We can just disabling and then enable. It's very easy. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, for the next step, we need to schedule task. Okay, it will be like a daily update. So where we can, let's close this and minimize this. And where we can do that, we have to open the task scheduler here. Let's expand this, and we can just create a task here or in action as well. Hmm, Basic task, create task. Let's create a task. Okay. No, we need to create a basic task. Yeah, for our work here or studies, we are going to choose the basic task, and for that we are going to naming it um, daily update check. Great. After that, we are going to change the trigger. Okay, so let's next, it should be daily, as we naming it. The action, it will start a program. Yeah, we can just choose the time here. I think it's not necessary to change anything like that. Yeah. So let's go next and start the program. So what program we need to start here? We need to put the PowerShell X. And for argument, uh, since it's optional, but in our work here, we need to put this. What is the user client start interactive scan. This is an argument we are going to run in our program, in our PowerShell. Okay? And yeah, let's just next and finish. Let's see if everything is as expected. This is our running command. Okay? And finish. So moving on in our library, we, we need to find our task that we already created. So here, this is for it's not how I saw that, because the time, yeah, and the name, daily update check. Okay, we can just run here, edit, disable it. Yeah, we can see other properties, the conditions, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Thank you.